In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts to FreshBooks. Uploading your receipts to FreshBooks keeps your records organized, makes expense tracking painless, and helps you stay ready for reports and tax time. Before we begin, have your receipts saved to your computer as a clear image or PDF. Make sure the text is readable, the totals are visible, and the file isn't password protected. Start by opening FreshBooks in your web browser and signing into your account. Use a modern, up-to-date browser for the smoothest experience. If you're prompted for additional verification, complete that as usual. Once you're in, give the dashboard a second to load fully so all the menus appear. From the main menu on the left, select Expenses. This takes you to the Expenses area where you can view past purchases and add new ones. If you manage multiple businesses or clients, confirm you're in the correct company at the top of the screen so your upload goes to the right place. On the Expenses page, look for the option to create something new. You'll see a New Expense button or a similar menu that opens actions related to adding expenses. Click that to reveal your choices. This menu is your starting point for bringing a receipt into FreshBooks. Choose Upload Receipt. This option is specifically designed for attaching a receipt file so FreshBooks can read and store it alongside your expense details. It's a good idea to use common formats like PDF or standard image files and to avoid overly large scans. If the receipt is crumpled or dark, a quick rescan or photo retake with better lighting can save time later. When prompted, click Continue to Upload. Your computer's file picker will open so you can browse to the receipt you want. Navigate to the folder where you saved it. Select the file and confirm. You should see an upload indicator and then a preview or file name once the file has been added. If you don't see anything update after a few moments, check your internet connection and try again. For multiple receipts, repeat this same process one file at a time so each document is captured cleanly. That's all there is to it. You've accessed FreshBooks, gone to the Expenses area, opened the New Expense menu, chosen Upload Receipt, and continued to upload your file. Keeping your receipts clear, correctly named, and stored in a consistent folder on your computer will make future uploads even faster. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to keep your expense documentation organized right inside FreshBooks.